All right, welcome back. I'm finally back. It's been a minute. It's been a few months since I've actually made a video. Let me go over to the channel real quick. You can see the last time I made a video was 3 months ago. So what have I been up to? I'm going to be sharing with you what I've been up to regarding affiliate marketing and regarding kind of my business online, right? You guys all know that I do YouTube full time. I have multiple YouTube channels and I've made a living the last 3 or 4 years full time as an affiliate. And I'd love for you to be able to work with me. And if you'd like to join my free community that I'm literally just launching right now, I'd love for you to come join. Now, let me go over to it real quick, and I'm going to show you some results that I've been getting, right? And why you would want to listen to me and why you would want to learn from me. Essentially, this is YouTube Affiliate Launchpad, okay? This is a free community, but let me be completely transparent and honest with you. This is not for everybody. First of all, if you're not an action taker and you're not serious about making YouTube a serious leg in your business, then this is not the right community for you, because you do have to fill out a couple of questions before you join the free community, right? This is a service I'm providing for you. This school community actually costs $100 per month from my business in order to provide this platform for you. I want people to be engaged and actually learn and take action. And so we have some different kind of not what you would typically think of in a free community as far as rules, right? So if you come in and you just absolutely do nothing, then after 14 days, you'll actually be removed. So keep that in mind if you are serious about YouTube and affiliate marketing and you're wondering how you might be able to go out and get results like this. I have crossed over $440,000 in my business, only YouTube. And technically speaking, it's been from faceless YouTube channels. So it has not been from me being on camera like this. Most of the money has not come from me being on camera like I am right now. And generally speaking, this is only something I've been doing every once in a while, is getting on camera. And on this channel, I'm going to be showing my face, and it's more of a talking head channel now, right? But all these funds came from a faceless YouTube channel, primarily with one of my other channels, right? And I don't show my face on that channel. And you'll be able to see, look at this, direct affiliate commissions, $100,000 there. JV Zoo affiliate right there, $45,000. Warrior Plus affiliate commissions, almost $40,000. YouTube partner programs, they paid me $40,000 just to make YouTube content, right? Affiliate commissions, almost $38,000 right there. And then this one for other sales, that's just going to be other categories. It's mostly affiliate marketing that's built into that almost $200,000 right there. So how did I get these results, right? We're going to go back over here. This is the YouTube Affiliate Launchpad, and I'd love to share with you how I do this in a more formal way, right? A structured way, how I go about finding a niche. How do I validate that niche? How do I go out and create a content plan so I know exactly what to create content on? How do I create my videos and so forth? So you can go out there and actually build a real online business for yourself and just kind of model after what I've done. Now, I already have a paid community that we have some really great members, and I've been running that community for a year now, since last October. And so I have some really great testimonies from people inside that group, and you're welcome to go and click the link below. Go check out what some of my members have said about the community right over here, so you can see some of these real testimonies that people have left for me. Okay, so essentially the YouTube Affiliate Launchpad, I named it this because this explains exactly what we're doing, right? There's so many different ways that you can go out and create affiliate marketing businesses and get traffic to your affiliate links and so forth, right? There's Pinterest affiliate marketing, there's Twitter affiliate marketing, there's so many different forms of affiliate marketing out there. Well, what I've specialized in is creating YouTube channels and then getting all my traffic free, of course. And I've been able to build that level of income with just free organic traffic using only YouTube. Okay. So what you'll learn if you join the community, I'd love to have you come on in. You'll be able to create a YouTube channel that earns affiliate commissions while you sleep in 30 days or less. And what that means is that if you actually come in and you take the course, right? So I'll come over here, I'm going to go into the classroom. We have the YouTube Affiliate Launchpad right now. And at the time of creating this video, I already have the first 5 videos uploaded. You're literally getting a premium course. I've sold my courses for $50, $97. up to $397. I've sold courses in affiliate marketing, teaching the way that I do this. You're getting a premium level. The value of this course I could easily sell this course. You're getting it for free just for coming in and being a member of the community and contributing to the community. I want to give you something special, and you're going to get this great starter course that's going to help you to be on your way to building your channel so you can go out there and really make a difference. Now, you're going to learn how to find your niche. You're going to getting started with affiliate programs. I'm going to show you the best ones, how to find affiliate programs and so forth, how to choose a product to promote, all those good things that are on beginners' minds, right? Like they don't know how to find and research products and so forth. They don't know where the affiliate programs live. Creating your YouTube channel from scratch, from literally ideation to picking a name to literally going into YouTube and creating your YouTube channel logo and banner and all the good stuff, the YouTube channel description. I should go over all of that in that video, right? And you have planning your content. This one is extremely valuable. And we're looking at, like, when I click over here, I'm just going to do this real quick and show you, like, I'm giving you prompts inside of here. Literally, who's doing that? I'm giving you prompts that I've created that's going to help you in ChatGPT or Claude. And then you can see right over here, I'm going to show you this. And this, I believe that this one right over here is like a 30-minute video that I'm just showing you everything in here, okay? And then this is gonna end up being at least 10 videos, so I'll be adding one every single day until I get to that 10 video mark. I've already got the outline and everything, but there's plenty for you to jump in and do right off the bat, okay, when you join the community. Now, I already run one of these, and we have this right over here. You're gonna be able to unlock this right here. This is a good time to get in right now, because the course that I just showed you, I'm actually going to be, once we get like our first 100 members in here, I'm actually going to make the members that come in here have to be level 2 before they get to unlock the free course, right? And that's just 5 points when you join. Literally just do an introduction post and then basically like a couple posts and you'll get a couple engagements. All you need is 5 likes on a post or something like that. 5 points is all you need. I've been able to do that in within 5 minutes joining other communities, okay? Because I want action takers. I want people that actually want to be here and learn and then actually go and grow real businesses. And don't mistake this for being a free community as like that this is low value or something like that. You're going to be getting really good value, but in turn, you have to also kind of promise that you're going to partake and engage and also help me with this community, make it to be the best YouTube affiliate community on the school platform, okay? So leaderboards, we have leaderboards over here. And this is, let me go show you my other community so you know what it looks like, right? So we're going to go over here, and this is going to be the natural progression. You're actually going to go over here if you want to eventually sign up to my premium community, where you can see we have all the different leaderboards as well. We have people that have been with us for almost a year now. We have, a lot of engagement, a lot of people that have been with us for a long time. And this is what your leaderboard is going to look like when we get this off the ground and running, right? Okay. So once you join, you're gonna fill out the form, a couple of questionnaires for you, and then you're gonna join, and then you're gonna go ahead and get started. You're gonna go read this post right over here. Read this post, go follow the instructions to the T, go to the introductions tab, and you're going to write an introduction. You're gonna go and introduce yourself, where you're from, how long you've been doing affiliate marketing, and what your milestones are, and what you hope to gain from the community and in your online business with YouTube. And you're going to go and post that, right? And then people are going to go and they're going to read, they're going to welcome you to the community, they're going to like your post and so forth. I'm making this video and we have no members that have joined, so be the first to join, right? This is going to be really fun. And as the community grows, we may have free Q&A calls once a month, twice a month, something like that. We will jump on Zoom, and I'll be able to get to know you guys and answer questions and so forth, right? So this is my new community. Go check it out right over here. I want, if just by following the YouTube affiliate launchpad in the classroom, you're going to be able to grow a YouTube channel between 5 to 10,000 members, subscribers your first year, $1,000 monthly income. Now, these are things that if you're an action taker and you follow what I teach, then these are very achievable numbers. Then you can start hitting those, for people that really want to work at this, those $10,000, $15,000 and beyond months with the power of just YouTube and affiliate marketing. Okay. So go get started. I wanted to show you a little bit more like results, right? So I made a review video, and this is classic YouTube affiliate marketing. So I made a review video for one of my channels, and this was for a software that was called BizReply, right? It's just a software that I found that literally is not big time. Nobody knew about this software. And so I did a review for my audience, and we were able to bring in almost $2,000 from just this one piece of software right over here. Then you can see that we had only 243 clicks. This is 47 people signed up. And so I had 47 sales from one video, make $2,000 from that, right? And then we come over here and we look at what that conversion rate is. We had 47 conversions. We had 243 clicks. And I had a 19.34% conversion rate, almost a 20% conversion rate from just a YouTube video. I didn't offer bonuses for people signing up, nothing. I just provided value and did my audience a service by providing the honest, full in-depth review and by letting them know about a software that might be a great software for them. So you can actually do this in a non-salesy way and be actually helpful to people, and your audience will be glad and happy to click your affiliate links and purchase from you. Those are all the things that you're going to learn in the YouTube affiliate launchpad community. So be the first to sign up, go join, and be a part of this from the ground up and see how a school community is actually built. I'm going to be adding in a ton more value right over here by clicking this new course button. I'll be adding in different courses that unlock every time you get a new level. So level 2, level 3, level 4, 5, 6, you'll be able to unlock more valuable premium content for free just by saying thank you for being a part of this community and being engaging to the community. You're going to get rewarded by unlocking more courses. So I'd love to have you come and join the YouTube affiliate launchpad community. The link will be below. I hope to see you inside. And I'm going to be creating a lot more content on this channel so you can learn exactly how I build YouTube channels focusing only on affiliate marketing for my full-time income. And I've made multiple six figures doing this. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we're going to have a lot of fun together. Thank you.